Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I've made a longer video, and this past few months have been super busy for me. I moved my working studio and decorated a new apartment and migrated 2 online stores from Shopify to WooCommerce. But I'm loving every minute of this fulfilling life, and to celebrate all this, we are doing a big sale of 40% discount in my DIY Notion store, so don't miss it. Today's video is all about showing you the detailed steps for threading an elastic bracelet with 3 cords. And I may not have showed it clearly enough in my previous short video. And you might be wondering why 3 cords instead of 2 or just 4. Well, it actually depends on the size of the bead hole, not the size of the bead, but the hole. And some holes are too tight for 4 cords, but too loose for just 2. So using 3 cords is the perfect solution I came up with. To give you a nice visual, I will be using brown cords and the pretty beautiful brown tiger eye beads. And I have been using this 0.8 mm flat elastic cord for bracelet making for over 10 years. And no need for any special beading needles with 3 cords. This elastic cord is all we need. Cut the cord in about 40 inches length and then separate it into 3 sections like this. You see how I place the cord? 1, 2, and 3. Now take one end and then slip it under the other 2 like this. Now tie a very, very tight knot. Make sure it's tight enough. This creates our little needle with 3 elastic cords, 1, 2, and 3. And then you need to make sure to leave enough cord length on the other end to tie off the bracelet closure. Thread the tiger eye beads onto the needle cord. For the knotting part, snip off the needle end like this. Leaving you 3 cords again. 1, 2, 3, right? Take any 2 of the cords and feed them through the loop on the other end. 2 cords. Like this. And pull all the beads down to the loop end. And now tie 2 knots, just like you would with 4 cords. 1, 2, 3. Now it becomes like this. Before cutting the excess cord, leave a little length so you don't cut it too short. Like this. Give that knot a firm tug to settle it into the last bead's hole. Easy, right? You've got yourself a beautiful new bracelet. So I hope this video is helpful. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and being with me. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.